Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. My name is Azmat Ali and I welcome you all in the lecture series of O-level mathematics. Our discussion is continue on a further sets. In today's lecture we will discuss a third type of sets in which the two given sets are disjoint sets, and we need to find their union, their intersection, the complement of their union, the intersection of the complement of one set with the other. So let us start from question number 3. This question says, we have a universal set xi. This Greek letter is read as xi. This represents the set of all non-negative integers less than 12. The set P is set of prime numbers less than 12, and Q the set of composite number which are less than 12. The first part is list all the elements of xi, p and q in the set notation. In the second part, we have to make a Venn diagram that represent the sets xi, p and q. And the last one, we have to make a Venn diagram. From the Venn diagram, we need to find p union q, complement of p union q, and p complement intersection q. So first of all, we write all of these three sets in the set notation. So my first set is xi, which is the set of all non-negative integer less than 12. You know, the number which are greater than or equal to 0 are called non-negative integer. The first non-negative integer is 0, second is 1, third is 2, 3, 4, up to so on. Last one is 11. The next one is p. Set p represents set of all prime number which are less than 12. So the first prime number you know is true, second is 3, 5, 7, and the last one is 11. Q, the set of composite number. The set of composite numbers, the first composite number is 4, the second one is 6, 8, 10, and also 9. Now you can see here both sets P and Q are not equal. Their intersection P intersection Q is empty. They have no common elements between them. This shows that the set P and Q are disjoint sets. When two sets have no common elements between them, they are called disjoint sets. So next we make their Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram, first we will draw a rectangle. This rectangle shows your universal set. Now we will make here two circles. Each circle represent individually a set. So the first circle is set P, and these circles represent the set Q. This is my second circle, Q. Okay, this is P and this is Q. Now we write all of the elements of each set. So in the set P, the elements are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the 5 elements. And the set Q also has the 5 elements: 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. The remaining elements are 0 and 1. We will write these elements outside the circles here in the rectangle. So you can count here, these are the total 12 elements. Next, in the third part we have to find P union Q. P union Q is simply the set that contain both elements of both sets P and Q. So from the Venn diagram, you can see here this set consists on 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the elements of P, and the remaining 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. These are the elements of Q. So the whole set represent P union Q. The next one is P union Q complement. P union Q complement, this set represent outside the elements outside the P union Q. So there are only two elements outside P and Q, which are 0 and 1. So this is 0, 1. The last one is C part. P complement intersection Q. What is P complement? P complement mean the elements outside the P. So the elements outside the P consist on two regions, or consist on two types of elements. One are the elements of this rectangle 0, 1, and the other one is elements of set Q 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. And when you take P complement intersection Q, clearly their intersection consists on just the set Q, which is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and it completes the problem. So I hope you have a now clear understanding about this question. This is a very short and simple question, and the today lecture completes the three types of sets: overlapping sets, disjoint sets, and when one set is a subset of the other. In the next lecture, we will discuss another type of questions. So see you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.